Hi, everyone. Welcome back to Practical English Podcast. I'm Emily, and today we're talking about a very useful daily topic, ordering a meal at a restaurant.
And I'm Mark. This is one of the most important everyday English skills. We all need to order food, right? Breakfast, lunch, dinner, snacks.
Yes, food is life. And today we will practice simple, natural English you can use in any restaurant, cafe, diner, fast food place, or nice restaurant.
And as always, everything will be slow, warm, and easy for A1, A2 beginners. You can shadow with us and repeat the phrases.
So, Mark, let's imagine we are going to a restaurant together. What is the first thing we do?
Well, usually we walk in and the server or host says, "Hello, how many people?" Or "Table for two?"
Yes. And you can answer simply, two people, please, or a table for two, please.
Very easy. Then the host usually takes us to a table and says, "Here is your table. Please have a seat." Or, "Your server will be with you soon."
And then we sit and look at the menu like detectives.
Yes. We look at everything: pictures, prices, descriptions.
Mark, what do you usually look at first on the menu?
Hmm. I check the drinks first. I like to decide if I want water, tea, or something special.
You always choose iced tea. Always.
True. And you always choose something sweet, like hot chocolate or a latte.
Yes, that's my style.
After drinks, I look at the main dishes. Something simple, like chicken, pasta, or soup.
I usually look at salads or sandwiches first, but sometimes I also check desserts early.
Dessert before dinner. Very smart.
You never know when the best dessert will disappear.
For our listeners, here are some simple things you can say while reading the menu. What do you recommend? What is popular here? Do you have vegetarian dishes? What comes with this meal?
Or if you need more time, you can say, "We need a few minutes, please."
Yes, I say that a lot.
When the server comes, they usually ask, "Are you ready to order?" Or, "Can I take your order?"
And this is where many learners feel nervous. But don't worry, we'll help you speak naturally.
Hi, table for two, please.
Sure, right this way.
Thank you. Can we have the menu, please?
Of course. Here you go.
Thank you. We need a few minutes.
No problem.
In part one, we talked about entering a restaurant, getting a table, and reading the menu.
And in part two, we'll go deeper, ordering food,
asking questions, making special requests, and reacting politely.
Yes, the real fun begins when the food arrives.
Let's continue in part 2. Welcome back, everyone. In part 1, we talked about entering a restaurant, sitting down, and looking at the menu. Now, in part 2, we'll talk about the most important part, ordering the food.
Yes, everyone's favorite moment. When the server comes and says, "Are you ready to order?" That can feel scary for English learners.
But don't worry. Ordering food in English is very easy when you use simple sentences.
You can say, "I'd like the chicken soup, please." "I'll have the pasta, please." "Can I get the salad?" "I want the beef burger, please."
All of these are perfect and very natural.
Mark, what do you usually order?
Something simple. I'll say, I'll have the grilled chicken and rice.
Classic Mark.
And you, Emily?
I'll usually say, "I'd like the vegetable sandwich, please, and a hot chocolate."
Yes, Emily and her eternal hot chocolate.
Sometimes you want to ask questions before you order. You can say, "Is this spicy? What's in this dish? Does this come with rice? Can I see the dessert menu?"
Yes, the dessert menu is important.
Very important.
Many people want to make small changes to their meal. You can say, "No onions, please." "Can you make it less spicy?" "Can I have extra sauce?" "Can I change the drink to iced tea?"
These are very useful sentences and completely normal in restaurants.
And if you have allergies, you should say, "I can't eat nuts." "I'm allergic to seafood." "Does this contain milk?"
Yes, safety first.
"Are you ready to order?" "Yes, I'd like the vegetable sandwich and a hot chocolate, please."
Sure. Anything else?
"No, that's all. Thank you." "And for you?"
I'll have the grilled chicken with rice. And can I get a lemonade?
"Of course. Would you like ice?"
Yes, please.
Ordering food is not scary when you hear it slowly.
Yes, it's just simple everyday English.
Polite reactions when the food arrives.
When the food comes, you can say, "Thank you. That looks great. Can we have some napkins, please? Can I have some extra water?"
And if something is wrong, you can still speak politely. "Excuse me, I think this is the wrong dish." "Sorry, this is too cold. Can you warm it up?" "I didn't order this."
Polite English helps a lot in restaurants.
Sometimes the server asks, "How is everything? Is everything okay?"
And you can answer, "It's great, thank you." "It's good." "It's a little salty." "It's perfect."
I always say it's wonderful, even when it's just okay.
You're too kind. Wrapping up part 2.
In part 2, we practiced ordering food, asking questions, making requests, and reacting politely.
And in part 3, we'll talk about paying the bill, tipping, leaving the restaurant, and doing more shadowing practice.
Yes, the final part of the meal adventure. Welcome back to part 3, everyone. We've walked into the restaurant, read the menu, ordered our food, and now it's time for the last steps: eating, paying, and leaving politely.
Yes, and these steps are also important in English. Many beginners feel nervous when it's time to pay or ask for the bill, but it's actually very simple.
Talking during the meal.
After the food arrives, there's usually a moment when we try the food and react. You can say, "This is delicious." "This tastes great." "It's a bit spicy." "It's really good."
And sometimes, it's too hot. Hot, temperature, not spicy.
Yes, that happens all the time.
You can also ask for something small during the meal. "Can I have more water, please?" "Can I get a fork?" "Can I have some extra napkins?"
Simple and polite. When you are finished eating. When we're done eating, the server sometimes asks, "Did you enjoy your meal? Can I get you anything else? Are you finished?"
And you can answer, "Yes, thank you. It was great." "We're finished." "No, thank you. We're good."
And now, the important part, paying. A very common sentence is, "Can we have the bill, please?"
Yes. Or you can say, "Check, please." "Can we pay, please?" "We're ready for the bill."
Don't worry. You don't need long sentences like, "Excuse me, may I kindly request the total amount of our meal?" Just say, "Bill, please."
Yes. Keep it simple. When the server brings the bill, they usually ask, "Cash or card?"
You can answer, "Card, please," or "Cash, please."
Emily, do you usually pay with card or cash?
Always card. It's fast, and I don't have to carry coins.
Same.
In many countries, like the US and Canada, there is also tipping. You can ask, "Is the tip included?" Or, "Do we need to add a tip?"
If you want to say the percentage, you can say, "I'll add 10%. I'll add 15%.
In many places, 10 to 15% is normal, but it depends on the country.
If you don't know, just ask the server politely. They usually explain.
After paying, don't forget simple, polite sentences like, "Thank you very much." "Have a nice day." "The food was great."
These small sentences make the interaction warm and friendly.
And of course, after leaving the restaurant, we always talk about the food. It was delicious. It was too salty. I want to come back.
Yes, a little review session. Ending the episode. We've now completed the full journey. Entering the restaurant, ordering the meal, eating, and paying.
And we hope this episode helped you feel more confident speaking English in restaurants.
Remember, you don't need perfect grammar. You just need clear, simple sentences.
Yes, speak slowly, smile, and enjoy your meal and your English practice.
Thank you for listening to the Learning Slow English podcast.
We'll see you in the next episode.
Goodbye, everyone.
Goodbye.